Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and creating a restore point. This protects you if something breaks. Once done, disconnect from the Katchakid net so it can't reinitialize while you work, and use an alternate connection if needed. Next, open Task Manager or Activity Monitor and identify any running processes or services matching Katchakid. Stop them. This initial action prevents active components from blocking file deletion and prepares the system for deeper removal steps. You now remove the core software. Uninstall any Katchakid app through your system installer. If uninstaller is missing, manually delete program folders. Make sure to clear user data from app data // config or /library depending on your OS, because residual files can reinstate the net. Once file removal is underway, inspect services, drivers, and startup entries. Disable and delete Katchakid-related items so they cannot relaunch at boot. Doing both file and service cleanup stops persistent. You finish by resetting network settings and flushing DNS to clear cached routes. Then reboot to ensure changes take effect. After reboot, run a full scan with a reputable anti-malware tool and re-examine startup entries to confirm nothing remains. If the Katchakid net still appears, boot into safe mode and repeat the removal steps or restore from the previously created restore point. This isolates stubborn components. If problems continue, contact vendor or professional support for targeted removal assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.